In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the date and time settings in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself confused by incorrect timestamps or strange date formats in your email, you're not alone. Fortunately, adjusting your settings is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use to access the internet. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to Google's homepage by typing www.google.com into the address bar and hitting Enter. This will take you to the familiar search page where we'll conduct our next steps. Now that you're on Google's homepage, type Fix Date and Time Settings in Gmail into the search bar and press Enter. What this does is allow us to find articles, forums, or help pages that specifically address adjustments to Gmail's settings. Look for a Google support page among the search results. These are usually very reliable and provide step-by-step instructions straight from Google. Clicking the link will open a help page where you should find detailed instructions regarding email settings. However, before delving too deep, allow me to walk you through some crucial concepts and tips so you understand why each action is necessary. The issue with incorrect timestamps in Gmail typically doesn't originate from Gmail itself, but rather from your device's settings or the Google account settings associated with your Gmail. Let's tackle both possibilities to ensure a comprehensive fix. First, let's address device settings. Check the date and time settings on your device, whether it be a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Ensuring your device is set to the correct time zone is vital. On most devices, there's an option to set the time automatically via the network or the internet. This ensures your displayed time aligns with your physical location. Now, let's focus on your Google account. Sign in to your Google account, then navigate to My Account by clicking your profile image in the top right corner of the Google homepage. From there, you'll enter Data and Personalization, or a similar section, depending on any recent updates to Google's interface. Within this section, locate Language and Input Tools, or Language and Region Settings. Here, make sure the time zone matches your actual location and that it aligns with the settings on your device. Remember that any changes may take a little while to sync across all devices and applications connected to your account. Once you've completed these steps, return to Gmail and check if your emails now display the correct date and time information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have resolved any discrepancies concerning date and time in Gmail. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides and tutorials.